A rocking toilet after reinstallation needs to be fixed immediately to prevent wax seal failure and leaks. Start by removing any decorative caulk around the base and gently rock the bowl to locate the high and low points between the flange and the floor. If the flange is damaged or below floor level, first assess whether a flange extender or repair ring is required. These are thin metal or plastic rings that raise the flange height to meet the bowl and should be installed according to manufacturer torque specs for bolts. For minor unevenness, use plastic shims under the toilet base, inserting them where the gap is greatest until the bowl sits square and does not rock. Trim shims flush with a utility knife and cover them with a bead of silicone caulk for appearance only, not as the structural fix. If there is a gap wider than 1/4 inch, a bed of non-sanded tile grout or a polymer-modified mortar under the base can provide a solid, permanent support. Lift the bowl only enough to slide the grout in and allow full curing time before reconnecting water. Always tighten closet bolts incrementally and alternately to avoid cracking the porcelain, and use new bolts and a new wax ring or wax-free compression ring to reseal the drain. Never reuse the old wax. Finally, test by sitting and rocking the toilet gently with your hands to confirm stability, and then make a small final caulk bead around the base to keep debris out, remembering the caulk is cosmetic and not the structural support. Common issues are using caulk alone, which hides instability and leads to seal failure. Fix by removing caulk and addressing the support with shims or grout first. Another problem is over-tightening bolts, which can crack the porcelain. Prevent that by tightening bolts gradually and stopping as soon as the bowl seats flat without gaps, replacing cracked pieces immediately. A third is a recessed or broken flange that leaves the bowl unsupported. Resolve by installing a flange extender, repair ring, or raising the flange with an appropriate spacer, and then reseat the bowl with a fresh seal. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides project guidance related to toilet stabilization and other home repairs. We also host an active discussion community where members share advice, ask questions, and post contractor experiences to help both homeowners and contractors find work and solutions.